And I was just going through our reviews here, and everything is a 5-star review. And thank you to everybody that left me a public review here. But everybody else that left a 1-star review, what a little bitch everyone that left a 1-star review was. And I'm making it public. Um, I wanna show the 1-stars here. So that you guys can pause and read. But what a bunch of little bitches the 1-star reviews are. It's like, wow, there are people that just want to be, I don't know, catered to even though they're wrong. Like, oh, these are 5 stars, 5 stars. Thank you to all the 5 stars. Um, where to get it fixed? We're not open for the public, man. You don't need to leave a 1-star review when we're not open for the public. Oh, this is 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. Here, another one. This guy said, "Stole my property, beware." Bro, you sent us a roach infested. Read the reply. It's a roach infested thing, and the guy was trying to cause trouble. Some dirty motherfucker. It's like, bro, come on. This guy, more than likely to fix a Surface Pro. Hey, we told you Surface Pros are not really that easy to fix. The 12 to 6 line, even Northridge Fix couldn't fix them, and then we found the solution, and you actually can find the solution here on TikTok, one of the videos. It took us some time, but the rest are all 5 stars. I'm just ranting. This is a rant video. Sometimes I need to rant. All right, goodbye.